I've just bought this. It's well, it's a Peugeot 205. Yes, I've got a bit of a secret thing for French cars. Well, especially the older ones like this. It failed its MOT. Well, it's going to fail its MOT on some rust on the inner sill. Also, probably a couple of mechanical bits it needs. It's £400 and it's going to be scrapped, so why not save it? But no, it's quite a genuine little thing. So yeah, let's see what it needs, and we'll see if we can do a week's restoration project. Car done in a week, that'd be lovely, won't it? Instead of that. Bit of a break from that. That's going really well, but we'll do another video on that soon. But no, let's look around. Its interior's nice, it needs a bit of a clean. But it's very original. All 4 hubcaps. No, these are actually getting quite rare now. And I've got a bit of soft spot because they're just all around during my childhood. You know, everyone had a 205. You know, all the parents of schools and God knows. But yeah. So, oh, the batteries run out. Fantastic. So what have we got? Now I know we've got a bit of an issue around here which requires the tank to come out. Let's get a torch out. Yes. Yeah, that's not so good, is it? All that under there. Ugh. There's a hole. Yeah, so that's a hole there. And that's some sealer. Okay. That is... oh, that's horrible. Okay. And that is possibly carpet under there? It might be. It needs welding anyway. I'm going to take the interior out. We'll take the interior out. Well, the carpets and the seats. Just to prevent any fires, really. Apart from that, it's all a bit of a hole there. Do that. The boot floor is okay, which is a shock. Because that's usually the first to go on these, as far as I know. Needs a new towing height, because that is horrible. It's not really going to do much. No, 30 years old, I don't think it's too bad. Oh, bump stops are missing. Yeah, that's thin. We'll make something on there, I think. Same on the other side. Same on the other side. Needs an exhaust system. This is the 1.4 petrol without a cat, and it's got a carburettor, so that's what we like. Massive oil leak, which I think is coming from the distributor. Yeah, I'd say it's coming from the distributor area. But we'll steam it all off. I think it's coolant as well. We've got coolant leak too. That's a joyous task. So steam it all off. We need a ball joint in there because that rubber's gone. Probably stick some brake pipes on it. It's escalating. Stick some brake pipes on it as well. No, concentrate on the welding first. So we shall gut the interior now. Oh, it smells. Oh, ugh. Oh, that is awful. Well, successfully ripped all the seats and the interior out, and it fucking stinks. Oh my god, that soundproofing. I don't know if it's supposed to be green. Judging by the smell, probably not. But, oh, it just smells like poo. Rotten farts, just where water's been sat there for so long. Thankfully, I don't think too much damage has been done from the water sitting behind everything. So that's what I saw underneath, which is quite suspect. Need to find the source of the water leak, which is probably where the inner wing meets the bulkhead. That's quite common on these, I've heard. But oof, god, it's minging. So it definitely needs to dry out, and I'm going to put new soundproofing in. Cut it all to size, and just, oh god, it's awful. In fact, I might even try to see what I can get out underneath this dashboard there. Oof, dearie me. Well, it's not too bad. I see to put an axle stand on this axle and then bring this ramp arm out. But no, as far as I can see, it's just probably all this here and that bit there. It's got saying that. I think I'll get the needle gun out for fun and see exactly what's going on. And of course we've got a bit under there, but I'm going to tackle that from the inside of the car probably. We'll see, but we'll do this first. Oh, and bung up the fuel lines so we don't have any fiery fires. Well, I cut it out in quite a few bits in the end, but we'll deal with those consequences after. We'll just patch them together and make something nice. Well, yeah, it'll be alright. But yeah, at least now we can see how it's rotted out. Oh, there's smoke. Is there something on fire? No. Don't think so. Anyway, yeah. So, well, yes, that's what's happened. That does make things a lot clearer, actually. So we'll cut all that out now. And I'm a bit concerned about this smoke that's lingering and being produced somewhere, but I'm sure it'll be fine. And yeah, then do it from this side instead. And so that'll complete that aspect. Then weld it onto that bit from the other side. And that's the plan, so we'll get cutting again.